Miss Erin, and welcome to Simply Science. We're going to continue learning about simple machines today. Today we have pulleys, screws, and wheels and axles. So we're going to start out with a pulley. A pulley is a pretty easy, simple machine. It has some type of rod or shaft and a wheel. It'll often have a rope, and you'll have your load. So as your rod or shaft rotates or your wheel rotates, your rope is going to be used to lift your load. So a great example of this is actually going to be the blinds in your house or a flagpole. So the next simple machine is a screw. A screw is a rod or a shaft with a inclined plane wrapped around it. So my pipe cleaner that I just wrapped around this pencil is like my inclined plane. So I've actually made a screw. So a screw can be used to lift things or to hold them together. So holding together, a great example is going to be a jar or a bottle and a bottle cap. It'll screw on. You also have your standard screws or bolts. A spiral staircase is another example of an inclined of a screw, and so are door locks. So one of my favorites is actually your wheel and axle. So wheel and axle is pretty cool. You can do lots of stuff with it. So for a wheel and axle, you have a rod and your wheel. Your rod is also known as your axle. So it's going to lift or help move loads. So we have our paint roller that's an example. It helps you to move your load of paint. A screwdriver is kind of a weird example. Your axle is the shaft of the screwdriver. Your wheel is the handle. As you turn it, it's going to help move your load. I have another example here with a wheel that came maybe off of a chair. And for our final example, I made a very silly looking little car out of pipe cleaners, buttons, and a clothespin. So I'm going to move this stuff to the side. If I just scooch my clothespin, it doesn't go very far. But if I use my wheel and axle clothespin car, it goes a lot further. So look around your house, see what other examples of these simple machines you can find. Let us know through Messenger. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you for tuning in with the Lincoln County Library for Simply Science.